so much fun. I was like, wow, this looks like a bunch of fun. Let's have some fun. And then we came over and had some fun. It was a lot of fun.
Oh, it was super fun. It was very fun. Yeah, very cool. Got to try some new things. Yeah, new food. Yeah, learn new things. Yeah. Try some fun games. Yeah. Met fun people. Yeah, it was great. Great experience. Cool. Very fun.
Mình thấy rất là vui và thực sự là rất là tự hào khi mà cái thức ăn truyền thống của Việt Nam đã được phổ biến rộng rãi đến các bạn nước ngoài, và mình thấy đây là một sự phát triển rất là lớn của nền ẩm thực Việt Nam so với bạn bè quốc tế.
The fruit was super weird. People tricked me into eating sweet and sour candies, and that was kind of crazy. And then another girl tricked me into eating it again. That was also crazy.
I like the sweet ones. I like the apricot ginger kind of tasting one. My favorite.
Yeah, it was sweet. I like it. I'll give it to all my guys.
오마이에서 디스들의 강해한 거에 암시대 상징이요 요이시는 what? Daran distributörler Instagram tinget Osterli hiç özellikle amçuksınız nadat maşsın tesiniza. En işte onu bir umay çizak işte inoda etçisi man izo koyam işte.
I got the world record for talking. I was flying to the second from fight, yeah.
42 seconds.
Yes.
Inspector Hanal you have to stay is in the orange sun sign on some step to get dynamic gets to start coming with me. I am stored in the sun about the social spaces.